यार सैमसंग का गैलेक्सी M31s monster shoot India's leading 64 megapixel INTELLI-CAM was singles take 30th July 12 p.m. से ये लॉन्च होने जा रहा है. Wow, isn't it wow? So yeah, be ready. You have 6 more days to purchase this mobile, right? I'm freaking excited for this. What are the features of this mobile? Let me know. Galaxy M31 monster shoot India's leading 64MP INTELLI-CAM with single take launch 30th July 12 p.m. right? Notify, if you will notify, he will ask for the email ID and all. I don't want to take it right now. It will take time. I don't want to waste a single second of it, right? Okay, single take multiple output. Let's see how it works. Single take, my internet is good. Okay, this is the way single take multiple output is going to be. Wow, isn't it wow? It sounds looking very cool. Monster suit with 64MP INTELLI-CAM 1, 2, 3, 4 camera with 1 flashlight. Incredible. Single take, now capture multiple photos and videos with just 1 take. You can see, right? Monster punch, unmatched battery and fast charging to conquer the day and the light. बैटरी एक हमेशा से ही सैमसंग की बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत रही है यार. सैमसंग मोबाइल्स में बैटरी बहुत जल्दी ड्रेन होते हैं. ऐसा 6000 mAh. वाओ. 25 watt फास्ट चार्जिंग, रिवर्स चार्जिंग. ये ऐसा तुम्हें पता ही होगा सैमसंग की एक बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत रहती है यार. फास्ट चार्जिंग बैटरी होती है बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रेन हो जाती है. मॉन्स्टर डिस्प्ले, इन्फिनिटी ओ डिस्प्ले, इमर्सिव व्यू एक्सपीरियंस विथ मिनिमल इंटरप्शन. वाओ. Full HD. Wow. Monster Freeze, another monstrous addition to the M series and Amazon bestseller series. Oh, Galaxy M30s and M30 is image stimulated for illustrative purpose. Product image shown are the representational purpose only. Actual may vary. Amazon rating basis June 20th. Global recognized smartphone brand. So this is Galaxy Unpacked. So here we go. Where is the price? Price has not been mentioned here. So is it of as like Galaxy M31? There's no price mentioned here. M31s. M31s. M31, there's no chairs written here. M31s. Well, this is Samsung Galaxy M31. Okay, one thing is that this, no, it has not been mentioned the price and all, right? So M31s, right? M31 is mentioned here, but what M31 as is no Asus things mentioned here. So let me check the amount for this. Actually, okay, hold on. Well guys, there is no as such price mentioned anywhere. I saw it very carefully, so it could be like around 15,000 sorts of. I don't think so any mobile nowadays is going to be launched that is of price less than 15,000. So most probably it could be like, you know, around 15 and all, so you can expect this much of the rate. So if you wish to purchase, you will have to wait for 6 more days on 30th July 20th, that is 12 p.m. After that you can go for this mobile and purchase, and as per the, like, you know, 3 to 4 days takes maximum across India to deliver the product, right? So this is the thing, it should be mentioned so that, you know, persons at least get the clarity over it, right? Anyway, one issue I have mentioned, that battery is a big issue, but here the battery is of 6000 mAh. It's huge, right? So let's see what could be the possible. Anyway, this is the end of this video. If you want to purchase, you just want to wait for 6 more days, that is 30th July 12 p.m. after you can order and you will fetch this mobile. Alright, so this is me signing off from this video. Have a great, take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my videos.